In today's video, I am taking my cooler weather items out of storage and replacing it with my warmer weather items to get ready for the winter season. Stay tuned. So today I'm going to be working in this drawer, and what I'm going to do, look at this, you can barely open it, but I'm going to store my shorts away for the colder seasons, and then I have long sleeve t-shirts. I'm going to make this drawer all long sleeve t-shirts, and I have some more to add, so let's get busy doing that.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk, and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I am completing week 15 of the 100 Days to a Cleaner Home Challenge. I know it's almost Christmas. However, I do not like the colder weather, so I am just now getting around to changing out my clothing, putting my warmer clothing in my drawers and where I can reach them more, and putting my summer clothing away until it is warm again. I'll be so happy when it's warm again, but I just want to thank my sweet friend Danielle at Clean House Simple Mama for putting this challenge together. I will link her channel in my description box below, and I just broke every day down into a simple task so that I could complete it with just a little time each day. So let's get busy.
Whoa, oh, oh.
So this is how it turned out. I just kind of put my white long sleeve shirts right here on the side because I did not have a room to put them in here, but I have red, black, gray, green, pink, green, blues. We are finished with the first day. So today I am going to change out my warmer bathing suits for my cooler temperature, like hoodies and things like that. You can tell that I've already started adding some things in here, but they're not nice and neat, so I need to put all of these away and get out these.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, da 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
So I know I probably need to put this in here a little bit neater, but my object of today was just to transfer everything. So I have my bulky hoodies, and then I have some sweatsuits, that kind of thing over here. And I am really excited because this year was my year of simplifying, and so I got both bathing suit. These both used to house bathing suits, and I know it's a little tight, but I got them all into one bin.
And I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone.
So today is the third day, and today I'm going to take these shirts and I am going to store these away for the cooler months, and I'm going to bring out some long sleeve shirts for here.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this
I'm going to be working on this shelf. I have these things that are summer items, and then I have some cooler weather sweaters that I've already gotten down, so I need to add those to the rest of the sweaters that I get out of the storage containers.
how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da, oh oh, oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Christmas.
If you are new to my channel, I want to take just a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior. I make mostly homemaking content here on this channel, and I would love if you would become part of my growing YouTube family. It is completely free to subscribe. Just make sure to click that subscribe button and make sure your notifications are turned on so that you will receive a notification each and every time that I post. This is also day 18 of Vlogmas. I am doing Vlogmas this year, but I am not putting the pressure on myself to do a video each and every day. I am trying as hard as I can, but I did miss a few days, and that is okay because Christmas is such a busy time of the year. So I am doing the best that I can to bring out content to you guys, but I still want my content to be a good quality content. So I just want to thank you guys for spending part of your valuable day with me. And because I am a heart warrior, I do like to break tasks down into small achievable tasks, which is what I did with changing out my clothing. So I ended up having more sweaters than I did last year, but I have some sweaters here, some sweaters here, and then I had to put a couple of sweaters here with my long sleeved just pullover shirts on top, like my long sleeve t-shirts that are solid colors. So I think that will be fine because I honestly do not gravitate toward the lighter colors very often in the cooler months. So that will be fine. So it's all done. So today is the last day of this week, so I am just going to put everything where it needs to go in my closet, and then I will be finished. And I'm also going to make sure that I do not have any other items that I need to declutter.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles.
My word for the year 2023 was the word simplify, and I honestly think that I am still continuing to simplify, but I think I succeeded because my closet has so much less than it had when I started 2023. And I just also want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this video through to completion. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
In their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever.
And I'm just going to take you on a little tour of the closet since I finished, and everything up here is still the same. I do need to climb up on my ladder and fix those clutches now that I see that. I still have room for another pair of shoes. I have my skirts and my dresses. Over here I have my scarves. Down here I have my shoes, and I think I do have another empty spot down there. Up here I have shirts and shorts. I have my sweaters and long sleeve tops on these two shelves. And I have my towels and washcloths. And then I have my tank tops and my flip-flops. And here is my dressing table where I put my makeup on each day. And then up here, I decluttered so much stuff last year that I have 3 empty bins, which is awesome. And I just have my sleeveless to short sleeved shirts here. I have my pants here. And then on the bottom, I have my 3/4 length all the way to long sleeve, then to button down. Then I have my cardigans, and then I have my blazers. And over here, I have my jewelry. So everything is nice and tidy again. So I did not find a ton of stuff to declutter, but given all the decluttering that I have done, I am surprised I found anything at all. I did finally decide to part with this shirt. I've thought about doing that several times. Still has the price tags on it, and I've worn it. I have had it in my closet for years, so I'm gonna go ahead and part with that. I have this little dress that I do not wear, so I'm going to part with that as well. I have this sweater, and it has like a little built-in white shirt in, and I have not worn that in years, so I think I'm ready to let that go. I have this little t-shirt that says Rock the Runway that I do not wear, so I'm going to go ahead and donate that. Then I have this plush pullover. Again, I have not worn it in a while, so I'm going to let that go. Then I have this beach cover up that I actually got last year, but I did not wear it. I think I wore it once. And then I found that I had a replica of this long sleeve t-shirt, so I am parting with one. I am getting rid of this t-shirt, it's way too big. This one, I don't even know why I have this one. And then this one, I was just keeping it because I like that it says Saltwater Heals All, but I do not wear it. So I have 2 bags of things to declutter.
It's Christmas.